Get set to do your dirty work. Get rid of gunked-on grease and grime with a blast of water pressure from the Pressure Joe SPX3000 electric pressure washer. Get assembled quick and easy. Slide on the gun holder. Screw on the handle. Snap on the detergent tanks. Pull out this and slide it onto that. Screw in this and screw in that. Lock in your gun. Connect this to that and that to this. Pressure washer meet garden hose. Now plug it in, squeeze the trigger, and blast away. Get clean fast with 1800 watts of power. Feel the force of 2,030 pounds per square inch. Wash away every inch of dirt. Get 1.76 gallons of water flow delivered every minute. Just spray and say hoo-ah! Get more reach with a 34-inch extension wand. Reach high, reach low. Pump it up with a built-in total stop system to save energy and prolong pump life. Control your spray with 5 quick connect nozzles. Go from intense jet to gentle spray, so you can clean anything. Wheel it around your yard. It's your ultimate dirt fighter. Mix it up with 2.9-liter onboard detergent tanks. Fill one with this, another one with that. Now you're ready to really clean. Get the gunk off your siding, wooden decks, patio furniture, cars, trucks, SUVs, you name it. It'll clean it. And presto, your dirty project just got done. Get the tools that do the doing. Pressure Joe from Sun Joe. Get equipped.